Hi everyone, I'm Soraya. Thank you so much for joining me. So I've never done this before, but I made a big mistake. I was starting to paint and I went ahead and thought I was recording two different paintings, kept going, and I got nothing. So I have no video, actual video to show you on how these paintings are created, and I feel so bad about it. But they were created with my sponges, my sponge technique, and I have a whole playlist of how I do that, tutorials, a whole bunch of tutorials for you so that you can see how I create my paintings with sponges. I'm going to show you up close now. I'll bring you over so that you can see what they look like. I do love them. I hope you do too. Let me know, and thanks for watching. So here's the first one. I'm gonna do them one at a time, and it was such a pleasure to work on this. Even the other one, I can't believe that I did that. Has it happened to you where you're painting along and you just think that it's recording? It just isn't. So I've had it since fixed, but there you go. Lots of work went into this, and I love these colors. Kind of looks like some kind of place, mountains, rocks, some green there. Not sure if that's water. Let me know what you think, what you see in this. I see a lot of my paintings as being very spiritual, and I hope that comes through. There's a lot of texture on this painting as well, which I really love. So much detail and colors, so many colors. So that's the first one, and I'll show you the next one. And here is the other one. I just love this one. Pretty much the same colors. I did add a lot of detail here. So an abstract, but I think also very spiritual as well. Like I said, a lot of my paintings, I feel that they are very spiritual. And I hope you feel that too. But I love the different colors here, kind of lighter, some dark, and hints of a bit of red and orange, purple. There's a light purple. It was such a pleasure to work on this one too. It came together so well. I don't know about you, but sometimes I struggle. I have an idea, then it doesn't go how I planned, but not this one. Boy, it just flowed. And again, I used, in this one I used some sponges and a brush just to do some of these lines here, those lines. But mostly it was my sponge. You can do a lot with a sponge. Again, check out the tutorials. The playlist is a good one. Let me know what you think about it. And thank you so much for your support for all the other ones that you can see on how I'm doing them.